Struggling to figure out how to get your home ready for sale? You're not alone. Many home sellers make the mistake of listing their home before it's truly market ready, and it ends up sitting there while buyers scroll past. But don't worry, we're going to walk through the 5 essential steps to complete before your home gets listed for sale to ensure your home stands out and sells for top dollar. All right, let's jump in. First things first, decluttering and depersonalizing. This is huge. One of the biggest mistakes sellers make is leaving too much of them in the home. Buyers need to imagine themselves living there, and that's hard to do if they're distracted by personal items, clutter, or too much furniture. You don't want it to feel empty. You just want to create a space where buyers can picture their own life unfolding. I'm going to try and run through this fast, so bear with me. Remove excess furniture pieces that make rooms feel cramped, like oversized chairs, extra side tables, or unnecessary storage cabinets or bookcases. Pack away personal items and decor like family photos, collectibles, and bold artwork so buyers can visualize their own style in the home. Organize closets and storage spaces by packing away out-of-season clothing, extra linens, and anything that makes these areas look cramped. Declutter the kitchen and pantry by getting rid of expired food, mismatched Tupperware, and unused gadgets to make storage areas feel more spacious. Aim for no more than 2 to 3 small appliances out on countertops. All other appliances should be tucked away inside a cabinet or packed for moving. Clean out garage and utility spaces by removing old paint cans, broken tools, and excess storage bins so these areas don't feel like a catch-all. In the bathrooms, clear off countertops, organize linen closets, and toss unused toiletries inside of bathroom cabinets. This will create space for you to keep commonly used personal items stored out of sight inside the cabinet. Typically, under sink cabinets will be opened during the home inspection to check plumbing, though we see some buyers checking these areas during a showing appointment as they look for any signs of water damage. Simplify bedrooms by removing any excess or non-bedroom furniture and keeping nightstands clear of everything but 2 to 3 decorative items, including lamps. Minimize paperwork and office clutter by storing old documents, mail, and unnecessary office supplies to keep workspaces clean and distraction-free. Tidy up electronics and cables by organizing chargers, storing unused devices, and eliminating tangled cords that can make the space look messy. Keep kid and pet items in check by storing away excess toys. Boost outdoor and curb appeal by removing broken furniture, unused planters, and seasonal decor. We made it! Decluttering and packing up not only helps your home show better, but it also makes your move easier later. When your home feels spacious and comfortably lived in, buyers will see it as a place that fits their lifestyle too. But if your home feels overcrowded or bursting at the seams, buyers may assume it lacks adequate space or storage. Your home is telling a story. Step back and assess what that story is saying to potential buyers. All right. Now let's talk about small repairs. This is where a lot of sellers get tripped up because, let's be honest, no one wants to spend money on a house they're about to leave. But here's the thing, small maintenance issues can be huge red flags for buyers. So take a step back, walk through your home as if you were a buyer. Do you notice any little things like scuffed walls, leaky faucets, outdated light fixtures? Even minor wear and tear can make buyers wonder if bigger problems are hiding beneath the surface. Now is the time to handle those quick, easy fixes. Things like recaulking, regrouting, patching up wall dings, and servicing major appliances. These updates can make your home feel well maintained and move-in ready. For extra peace of mind, you might even consider a pre-listing inspection. This can help uncover potential red flags before a buyer does. If the report identifies multiple issues, work with your real estate agent to decide which ones are worth fixing now and which items buyers may reasonably take on themselves. And trust me, it's better to deal with them now then lose a sale over them later. Simple budget-friendly updates like a fresh coat of paint, stylish lighting, or new cabinet hardware can make a big difference. But before you dive into major renovations, think twice. Most big projects won't pay off right away, so if you're considering a big upgrade, check in with your real estate agent to make sure it's a smart move for the market. If you'd like a thorough look at which items are nearly always good things to tackle before listing, you can download our free home seller maintenance and improvement checklist from our website. We'll include the link to this below. Let's talk about first impressions. They happen fast. Before a buyer even steps inside, they're already making a judgment based on your home's exterior. So ask yourself, does my home look inviting from the curb? If not, you need to make some adjustments. Your home's front exterior, your landscaping, and entryway are the first photos home buyers see online. They are also the first spaces closely viewed when they come to view your property in person and set the tone for how well they believe the home has been cared for. And once they step inside, that's where staging comes in. Now, I want to clear something up. Staging is not decorating. It's a strategy. It's about highlighting your home's best features so buyers can see themselves living there. Think of it like shopping. Have you ever noticed how the same outfit can look completely different displayed at Target versus Goodwill? Presentation matters, and the price buyers are willing to pay is based on the perceived value. We believe that staging is one of the lowest cost, highest return investments that can ever be done to get a home sold for top dollar. Many top real estate agents include staging in their marketing plans, often at no additional cost to you. This typically includes a consultation with a professional home stager for occupied homes. Some agents will also offer staging for vacant homes where furniture and decor is brought into the space, while others offer virtual staging. A great agent will help you figure out what to remove, what to keep, and how to arrange each space for maximum appeal. When interviewing real estate agents, ask about their staging services, what's included in their marketing plan, and what specific recommendations they have for your home. An experienced agent understands that staging can significantly impact your final sales price and will have the resources or connections to make it happen. If your agent doesn't offer this level of service, you deserve better. Connect with one of our pre-screened, vetted agents in your area by filling out the form below or visiting our website. A clean home doesn't just look better, it feels better. And buyers, they notice. Even if your listing photos don't capture dust or dirt, trust me, buyers will see it in person. A home is a huge investment, and the last thing a buyer wants is to feel like they're stepping into someone else's mess. Deep clean everything. Floors, windows, baseboards, appliances, light fixtures, and bathrooms. And if deep cleaning isn't your thing, hire a professional. It's a small investment that makes a big impact. And here's a tip for showing days. Set up a quick clean routine. Keep a handheld laundry basket handy to scoop up last minute odds and ends, and have a go-to checklist for final touches before a showing. Okay, final step, pricing your home correctly. This is critical. Price too high and your home sits on the market. Price too low and you leave money on the table. A smart real estate agent will prepare a comparative market analysis, or CMA, to determine the best price based on actual market conditions. And here's the thing, while you have the final say, trust your agent's expertise. They know what buyers are willing to pay and they've done the research. If you are struggling to understand how they arrived at their recommended price, ask the agent to walk you through it. If an agent can't clearly justify their recommended price, find a better agent. And once your home is listed, be flexible. If you're not getting offers, listen to feedback. Are buyers hesitant because of price? Are there concerns about the home? Stay open to adjusting your strategy if needed. At the end of the day, pricing isn't about what you think your home is worth. It's about what buyers are willing to pay. A well-priced home attracts interest, creates urgency, and can even spark multiple offers. With the right plan and the right team, selling a home can be smooth and successful. So, begin by clearing out clutter and personal items, tackling minor repairs, enhancing curb appeal, staging your home thoughtfully, and giving it a deep clean. Then, set a competitive price that attracts buyers while maximizing your value. By following these steps, I'm confident you'll create a home that stands out and sells faster. Ready for more home selling tips? Subscribe now to catch our latest videos.